Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build an online store without using Woocommerce. Today we are going to use another plugin called ECwid Cart, which is basically a similar plugin as a Woocommerce. To do this, you will need a WordPress website hosted online. If you don't have a domain and a hosting, I will show you how to get one. Click on the description at the bottom of this video. It will take you to the SiteGround website. Now you can start searching for your domain from here. I'm going to search for a general domain name because I'm not going to buy a domain now because I already own a domain. I will show you from that domain. But for you to do it, I will show you how is the process. Type your domain name. I'm just going to add a number just in case if the other domain is not available. And choose any TLDs. I'm going to choose .com. Search. That is available. Now you need to choose a hosting plan. In SiteGround there are 3 different hosting plans. Unlike other hosting providers, the performance of all these hosting plans are same. So I would go with the starter plan and you can upgrade to the Grow Big or Go Geek anytime. Only difference is the web space and the limit of like monthly visits. As a startup, you only need the starter plan. This is pretty cheap. Go to order now. Enter all the details. And you can choose from 12 months, 24 months or 36 months. There is no discounts if you choose a longer period, so I would just go with 1-year plan. And the domain registration is $19.95. This is all in Australian dollars. If you are in US, if you are considering US dollars, it will be cheaper. If you want domain privacy, basically it will hide your information from the domain searches. You can add that if you want. That costs $15 per year, 15 Australian dollars per year. I'm not going to choose that for now. Confirm and pay now. After completing the payment, you will be on a page like this. You need to click the WordPress. Don't click the Woocommerce because we are going to use a different shopping cart. Click on WordPress and enter the admin details and click confirm. Now you will be redirected to another page. Which will look like this. Now you need to click on login admin. It will take you to something like this. This is basically the WordPress dashboard. You might have some extra plugins installed along with the installation, but don't worry about that. If there is any updates pending, you need to click on the updates and install all the pending updates. In here, it is basically the theme update. We are not going to use this theme, so you don't have to update the theme. I'm going to delete all the unwanted themes installed. Click on the theme details and delete at the bottom right corner. You can't delete the theme which is already active. Currently 2017 is active here. I'm going to leave it as it is. And now you need to change some settings before you start everything. Go to settings and you can name the site whatever you want and make sure you check this box. And the drop down should be subscriber. Save changes and go back to Permalinks. Go down to post name. This is a standard Permalink format you need to use for a shopping website. This is for getting better ranking in the Google search. Save changes. Now we are ready to install ECwid plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for ECwid. Click on Install Now and wait for that to finish. It is installed. Click Activate to activate the plugin. It will take you to the dashboard of ECwid plugin, and you can create a store from here, but for now I need to install a couple of other plugins before I start doing this. Go back to your plugin, Add New, Yoast. This is the plugin we use to improve your SEO. Install. Activate. Next one is click on Add New and search for Smush, SMUSH. This will optimize all the images used in your website, and it will improve the website speed significantly. Activate Smush plugin. Now we are pretty much done with this. You can install and activate the contact forms, but I will show you later in this video. First, go to ECwid. Before start, I will show you how the store will look like. This is the current look of our website. Click on Create Store. It will take some time to finish the store creation. First step is done. Next thing, add your products or services. If you scroll down, you can click on Add Products or Services. Basically, ECwid will import some sample products. Now if you go to your website and refresh, nothing has changed. But if you go to the ECwid store, that's /store, you will see a beautiful online shop already there. I will leave all these sample products here. You can create other products later. Go back to the dashboard. You need to edit the regional settings. You need to enter the address, city, state. I'm in Australia, so I'm going to choose my state and postcode. And you need to put your social media account if you have one. I'm gonna just put hash for now. That's all updated, and click Save. Oh, that won't accept the hash. Okay. We'll just put facebook.com. save button is at the top. What is wrong now? That didn't accept that either. I'm gonna take it off for now. We will update it later after creating the Facebook page and Instagram pages. Okay, that's done. Go to regional settings, and my currency is Australian dollars, and display format you can choose any of those. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Language settings, time zone should be Brisbane, that's +10. I can't see Australia, Brisbane, where is it? Yep, and that should be fine. And the prefix, I would prefer AUD rather than the dollar symbol. Weight, kilometer, centimeter, and display format, that's right. And yeah, save settings. Go to cart and checkout. I will leave as it is. I'm not going to change anything for now. Legal pages, this is a mandatory requirement. You need to create all these pages manually, and you need to link that page here. For example, if I go to pages, we got only store and a sample page. I'm going to edit that sample page as about us. Update, and also update with the permalink about. Go back, create another one. Contact, create another one. Terms, back. So we got privacy policy, it's still draft. I'm gonna publish that, edit, publish. Now we got 5 pages. And the store, which is the ECwid store page. I need store as the home page. When you go to your website, that should bring up the store page. Currently, it is not. To do that, go back to your settings. Go back to the settings, sorry. Not writing, reading. Okay, go back to the settings, reading, and choose a static page. And choose the home page as store. And the post page, we haven't created a post page yet. So I'm gonna just choose contact for now. And we'll go back to the pages and create one for blogs. Add new. Blogs. Go back, settings, reading, and choose the post page to blog. Done. Now if you go to your store and refresh, that's it, your store is ready. Now we need to update the home page with all the details. So go to customize. You can do with a different theme. I think that's the best way. Go back. Go to appearance, themes. Currently the 2017, that's a built-in theme for WordPress. I will change that to something else. Before changing the theme, I will need to do one final step. That's with the smush. Go to smush and it will prompt you to go through a wizard. Click next and just accept all the settings. Basically, it will automatically optimize all the image on upload. Click next and finish setup wizard. We will check for all the images already uploaded to our server. Okay, that's already checked, automatically compress on upload. Looks like everything is alright. If you recheck for images, okay, so that means all the images are already optimized. That's good. Let's add one more plugin. This is just to build your website homepage and other pages. Basically a website builder. I'm going to use Elementor. Click install. Activate. Close that. And the best suggested theme for an online store is Ocean WP or Astra. I'm going to use Ocean WP as the theme for now. Click on Add New. Search for Ocean WP and install that. Only minus for the Ocean WP theme is when you do customizations from the dashboard, will be a little bit slower than Astra, but the site will be faster than all the other plugins. Now, Ocean WP is suggesting me to install all these plugins, and it's just a recommendation. If you want, you can install, but Ocean Extra is good to install. WP forms, you can use Contact Form 7 or any other forms, but I'm going to install all these plugins. Like that, install. Both the plugins are installed now. If you go to themes, we need to activate Ocean WP as a theme. Oh, it's already activated. There is a wizard for WP forms. You can skip that or you can do it later. This is the wizard for Ocean WP. Get started. It is asking what sort of demo template you want. I'm gonna skip this step because we already got a good home page with the store. You can upload your logo. I don't have a logo. I will show you how to create a logo from the Canva website. Create design. I'm going to choose custom dimensions. It is 400 by 400. That's like bigger logo, but we can resize it later. For the better resolution, 400 by 400 is the best size to create a logo. As it is a store, I'm going to choose a letter, the first letter of the store name. So it's ECwid, so E. Or else you can choose from pre-configured elements. Let me see if there is a free store-based images. This is a pro image, but these are free, but I don't like it. But that's good actually. Just put it there and text, add heading E, and choose the sponsor. same font, a little bit bigger, and this one should be the same color as that. So do that. Probably a little bit more darker. So, I would put a different color for that. I don't like it. I'll just leave. So, okay, that's actually okay for me. And download that. It will have a background, like a white background. If you want to use a transparent image, I will show you how to make it. So download that. I know this is not a good logo. I'm just showing you how to create one. You can do whatever your customizations are. Okay, go to LunaPig. Please don't laugh when you see this. This is like a really old website, but really efficient. Go to upload and choose your file. That's in my downloads. And go to edit and transparent background and click on the white part. So it will make a transparent background, but we need not the transparent area, we need a transparent color. So that means all the white part will be transparent, and you can increase the threshold a little bit to make sure it's complete transparent. Okay, now apply. Now it is a transparent logo. Save and it will download the image, and now go back to your store, upload the logo. Image edit, that's the one. Retina logo, you can choose the same thing. Site title, site icon, we can choose the same thing. And the primary color, we can choose one of those color. Just choose a reddish. Yep, now it's better to copy that, and you will need it later when you do other stuff. Links color, we can make it same as that, and hover color, we can make it the other one. So it's okay, this is just a tutorial, so you can do it. So I will make it same as that, same as that. What? Okay, continue, and we can skip for now. Go to your website and see how does it look. Go to ECwid store. Okay, now the logo is really bad. I will show you how to change it. Go to customize. This is the part I was talking about. The customize page will load a little bit slower than other themes. I don't know what it is, maybe a glitch for Ocean WP. Go to the site identity. Not site identity, it should be the homepage settings. No. Okay, that's in the header. General, logo. Okay, logo height. You can choose whatever you want. That's fine. Publish, and I don't need that top bar. Go back. It should be top bar. General, enable top bar. No. Publish, and there is no menu item, and also I need to hide the store. I will show you how to do it. Go back. Menu. Menus here. There is no menu yet, so I will create a main menu. Let's click main menu. And that's not the top bar, it's main. Next, and add the pages. So add items, home, blogs, contact, about, and store is the home page. So yeah, that should be fine. Publish. So, and we need a cart button at the end. Go to header. Okay, this is where you add content after header. So you need to copy the shortcode from the website. So click on that link, and shortcode is, we need a Woocommerce. Actually, we are not using Woocommerce, so here, that's not a Woocommerce, it's already here. And we are using ECwid, the cart is here. We can change that settings in ECwid settings. Go back. Now we need to disable this header. Page title, and it says show on devices. There is no a way to hide it everywhere, but if you go to the style, it is shows hidden. That's where the settings. Yep, that's good. And now we need to hide the sidebar. Okay, settings, that's not the one. Sidebar. Actually, it says you can choose that to top right corner. Oh, that's actually hiding the maybe top right. You need to just a little bit more. Not bottom right, top right. And increase that a little bit. $70 should be fine. To remove the sidebar, go back to your store dashboard. Actually, our store logo is appearing on the I don't know, can you see it or not? Let me move a little bit down. So see, the store icon is appearing here. Okay, go to store dashboard. Now we need to disable the sidebar on the home page. So go to the pages, all pages, and store is our home page. Go to edit. This is a store homepage, but we need to edit this with Elementor. What I will do is I will copy this page and create another page. There is a duplicate. Okay, I will edit this. Edit and edit with Elementor. This is where you change the template to Elementor full width. And edit with Elementor. It will remove the sidebar and we can start editing with Elementor. First part is our store. If you want to add another part, another slideshow or something, we can get it from here. So I'm going to add that full width widget. And also in the column settings, you need to choose stretch and full width. Add. If you want to add an image or slideshow, you can do search from here. Slides. Actually, what I'll do is I will just remove this and I will add from a pre-configured style. So click that. Okay, before that I will show you how to get extra options in the Elementor. Go to dashboard, go to plugin and add new plugin. It's Envato, E-N-V-A-T-O. Okay, Envato elements install now. Basically, it will give us an opportunity to download and use pre-configured blocks of designs. Activate, and now if you go to Elementor and close that, refresh it, reload here. See, we got an extra option here. Okay, so click that and click on the Envato elements. We are looking for 3 blocks, not the whole part. So, okay, let's see, hero. That's the first way you can choose any of those. This is actually pretty good with a background video and a text, but we need a video. Actually, you can put that video in the YouTube and just put the link in the setup. I'm not choosing that. I'll go down and see if there is anything else. Okay, I'm going to insert that. So that's actually too tall. I need to stretch this section and height. Edit that height to maybe 480. Okay, update. Now if I go to the website, okay, this is our store now. This is better than what it was before. Okay. You can edit this website text in heading to new arrivals, subheading shop with confidence. That's good, and we can maybe add a button here. Maybe on the right hand side, or maybe I need to remove the padding here, so go to advanced. margin on the top if you put that way. Yep, and on the right hand side a little bit. Yep. And the bottom. Yep, and click that content shop now. You can put a link to our new arrival page. That's up to you. Update, and let's see how does it look. Yeah, and this is a video basically. You can change that video to something else. You can put something in your YouTube and link that video here. To do that, just click on that box and see that's the link of that YouTube video. Yeah, that's it. Now you can start customizing everything in your ECwid dashboard. If you go back to the dashboard, go to dashboard and go to your ECwid. There are plenty of options if you want to customize how many products should be displayed on the front. It is like 4x4, like 4 in a row, 4 columns. I will show you how to do that. So go to ECwid, storefront, adjust the store appearance. Now if you go down, there should be an option how many columns should be displayed. That's okay. Oh, that's okay. Small means plenty of products. Okay. Now let's check that and see what's. There is a save button. This is. I think that's it. Yeah, we don't have to save it. If you refresh, maybe a little bit different. Oh, that's smaller now. Oh no, yeah, that's better, bigger. Before it was like 4 in a row. Okay, I think this is better. And what do you think if we want to add as a overlay about this image here? So go to Elementor, edit. Highlight that and add a margin, which is unlink that first, and the top we can put a negative margin like 60 here. Update. Let's see how does it look. Actually, there my screen is a little small. Okay, will look like that. That's actually, yep, this is better. And that background I need to be like fixed. So go back to Elementor, click on that icon and the background. Go to style and background image. It is actually scrolling, so just go fixed and update it. Now it will be different. Refresh. Okay, that's better. Yeah, you can do your customizations and let me know if you need any suggestions. If you have any suggestions, just put it in the comment box. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.